Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between a boss and a leader. A boss is a person who is in charge of a group or an organization, whereas a leader is the one who leads or commands a group or an organization or a country. So we have to take these two words and take this as a verb and look through the eyes of a lens. So to boss and to lead. To boss is not that good of a positive word. Boss around, it's a bossy. But to lead can be either from lead from the back or lead from the front. Okay, let's check what are the differences between a boss and a leader. So, boss is all about the position. He'll be in that position, always in that position, and he comes under the hierarchy. So, he holds a position, whereas the leader is all about motivating the people and leads from the front. He always will be there among his subordinates. So, as I said, boss will be in charge of an organization and there is a specific status. And he order to the people. He order to his subordinates what to do. Okay, that's the main difference between the boss and a leader. I'll come to the leader, how a leader is defined. So in leader, that word itself, I got positive vibration. He will get positive response from his subordinates. Okay, he will be among the subordinates all the time. So that's not a position. And he just don't order the people. He give positive attitude and also he'll give motivation to his subordinates. Now, how this boss and the leader makes their strategies. In boss, we can see the focus will be always on the profit. They are not worried about the process. They will stick to plan A. All what they think will be to make some profit. And of course, they'll follow the process, but they are not much worried about the process. They will try to make people work more hard to reach the goal. Whereas leader, he motivates the people and that will improve the organization. And these leaders will be always interested in the process. They innovate and also they will be among the subordinate all the time. The boss has a set standard of his work. So the company will have a plan A which has been successful, which has been tried and has been successful. He'll stick to that because he's a fry, and that is his set standard. And he will try to motivate the subordinates by offering rewards and also punishments. Whereas the leader, he respects the value of his subordinates and also his rewards won't be monitored. So his reward will be like motivating the people to achieve that target. He will motivate the people, he will teach them, he will be among them. And he will give opportunity to the subordinates. And another difference between the boss and the leader is the methods they follow. The boss will always dominate. As I mentioned, he will use only the poor methods. He will not help. He won't be among the subordinates. He will be aside looking after the subordinates, whether he is doing the work or not. He won't get involved in any of the things. He just wants results. Whereas leader works with collaboration and see to that things are done, and will make the subordinates to motivate them and give passion about the subject what they are dealing with. So also he will give an opportunity to empower the subordinates. And another difference is that authority. The boss has an authority from outside source. Like that is a position. He gets the authority from hierarchy, and he will not get respect from the subordinates, because you always order and you always tell them what to do. Whereas the leader will get authority from inside the organization itself. Leader is not a position. There will be so many leaders among his group. So, and anyone in the organization can be leader, because he will try to motivate the subordinates, and he will take their opinion. Whether it may not be wrong, it may not be right, but he will take subordinates' opinion and he'll analyze. He'll respect others' opinion also. Now, what are the other differences between boss and a leader? Boss work style is different and leader's work style will be different. Boss work style, he will be always commanding. He will ask the workers to do this and that, and he'll never get involved. He'll be there around just to see that the work is being done. Whereas a leader will collaborate. He'll be among the subordinates. He'll keep on motivating them and ask their doubt. Any doubts are there, he'll clarify all their doubts, and he'll provide tools to work with. And another difference is that if there any problem comes, boss will try to quick fix the problem. You don't want a solution. You always try to do a quick fix. That is never entertained in any organization. And whereas the leader will have solution, long-term solution he will have. He will have a vision. That vision he will try to share with his subordinates. So let's check what are the difference. I don't want to tell you who is the leader, who is the boss. This is clearly shown here. Then I'll show you different pictures now. So leader and the boss. See the leader. Leader pats, whereas boss push. Okay? Don't ever forget this. If you like this, please put it in the comment box. Like that comment. Okay? Then this is another difference. Always say, do this. Whereas leaders say, let's do it. Our academy, we always say, let's do it. Okay. Then what is the next difference is more interesting. Boss won't give any support, emotionally or mentally or any other support. You don't expect anything from the boss. He expect only work from you. Whereas leader will be with you always. If you fail, and he will support you. Okay, that's the difference. I got few more interesting pictures. I'll just show you that. And yeah, when you attain a success, boss will say, I did this. Thank you all. I did this. Whereas leaders will enjoy others' success also. And he will enjoy success with his subordinates. That is a major difference. Since I got few more interesting pictures. So this is like all these both subordinates will be driven by fear. They are always under fear. Boss itself is under fear. So he will also give fear to the subordinates. But whereas leader will motivate the subordinates. The subordinates will be driven by the passion. So he is so relaxed. So that is the difference between a boss and a leader. And boss always want success, his success, where the leader want everybody to be successful. See these pictures. It clearly shows how a boss and a leader differs. Then, as I already mentioned, the boss has got a set authority. Then he is set by position, by hierarchy. But here the leader will influence anywhere and any place. We'll have people around him with influence. And the major difference is accountability. When you fail, the boss, it will be like this. You did this. But when you become a successful person, then he will take away that credit. That's from the boss. Whereas here, the leader, you see, that he or she will give motivation and passion, that subordinates will have confidence and they will grow passion with themselves. Now, next interesting picture. Your boss, as I already mentioned, he want to make performance. He always interested in the performance. Work hard, and make profit. Where the leader, even if he fails, he'll try to bring them up and he'll try to solve the subordinates' problems. So, and boss will be a subject matter. The boss will know about one subject thoroughly. He may be very good in that. But leader will be an emotional and a people expert. He knows about his subordinates. He knows their weakness and he'll try to help them out. Well, that's all for today. I hope you understood some differences between a boss and a leader. There are definitely some differences between a boss and a leader. But having said that, please remember that there is always some boss in a leader and some leader in a boss. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please share and comment. And I'll come back with another interesting topic soon. Till then, please take care of yourself and